Well, hello there, YouTube. Hang on while I crack me open a beer. Got us here some of this America beer. It's good stuff. Anyhow, wanted to make a quick video on my chicken coop. Sorry, filling up on that beer. Hang on again, gonna chug some more down. All right. Sorry for the poor camera action here. I'm shooting this with a cell phone. Anyhow, this is my first real video for YouTube. So bear with me here as I stumble my way through this. Anyhow, here's my chicken coop. And you guys probably have seen some similar designs to this. I know there's a lot of videos out there on chicken coop design and what have you, and I figure what the hell, I'll just make another one for you guys and give you something to complain about. Anyhow, so here it is. A lot of the inspiration from this came from SSL Dad's chicken coop. First time I seen that thing, I really just kind of fell in love with it. It's a nice, simple design. It looked like it was relatively easy to build. So I figured, what the heck, let's go for it. And you know, I downloaded his plans and what have you. I knew I was going to modify it some. I didn't think I would modify it this much, but you know, I started building it. I built like the frame that holds the coop up off of his plans, and then from there out, it was all my own. So anyhow, so let me show you around this thing a little bit. Coop is 12 foot in length, 4 foot wide. The sides of it are 6 feet high. The center of it is roughly about 7.5 feet, something like that. I still got some finishing touches on it to do on it, but for the most part it's done. So our doorway here, I did a full-size door going in. My wife and I are both rather tall, so it works out well for us. These latches here, they're stainless steel. These things are freaking amazing. You can pick up 5 of these for like $10 on Amazon. They work really well, and as the wood expands and contracts, what have you, you can adjust them by just simply screwing the hook up and down. So I did hooks on the both the top and bottom of the doors. You can see the roost bar in there. I do have door closer springs on the inside as well. Of course, we did the 1/2 inch hardware cloth. We did the asphalt shingles. You know, I know it was a little bit overkill for a chicken coop, but I want to make sure this thing holds up. All of it is built out of 2x4s. The roof joists are built out of 2x3s. It's kind of hard to see, but there's some LED lighting up in the roof joist. So there's a total of 6 lights out here, and then there's some more underneath the coop itself. Of course, the ladder, roost bar, egg-shaped design. Definitely stole that idea. Not my idea. So thank you, SSL Dad, for that one as well. My nesting box here, it's got I got my hands full with the beer and the phone here, so I apologize for not opening it for you. But it's got 3 nesting boxes inside. They're roughly 12 by 12 a piece, or each, I should say. And you know, the sliding windows. It's got 1/2 inch hardware cloth behind it as well. Down in this box here, we've got sand. This is just dirt and grass still. And I've got enough sand to finish the whole thing out. I was just waiting for them to eat the rest of the grass off. We just put out some fresh corn for them as well. We did the automatic feeder and the automatic watering system. I'll walk around the other side of the coop, show you those. So there is the feed tube. It holds roughly, it's way bigger than we actually need. It holds probably 25 pounds of food. And then the 90 to the right of that is the water fill system. So our chickens, we have a total of 11 chickens right now. 8 of these are broilers, and 3 of them are egg layers. Obviously, we're going to call the broilers here shortly. Our chickens are roughly about 5 weeks in age. But we're going to call them out, and you know, this will be left for our hens. On the inside here, I'll show you quickly here. Let me put this beer down. Bear with me here. I apologize for the shaky camera. So, anyhow, I'll get this thing opened up. I think everybody's down the bottom. Yep, and I apologize for the dirty coop. We're actually just getting ready to clean this thing. I figured, what the hell, I'll shoot the video first, and I probably should have cleaned it first, shot the video later, but that's besides the point. So anyhow, inside we got the good old heat lamp. I got it on for them today. It's a little bit cold. We're up here in Pennsylvania. Over here, you can see the LED light above the window. I got one above this window, and then there's one up above the egg cutout also. So we did the motorized automotive antenna door. There's instructions for that all over the place. My background is automotive. I kind of had an idea on how to put it together, so I can't really say I followed anybody's plans. I just kind of threw it together. So it's on a timer. Timer kicks on, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night or something like that. And closes the door, turns all the coop lights on, all the LED lighting that I have. I'll try to get a picture of that and put it in the video as well so you can see what it looks like at night. It's pretty neat. The whole coop kind of glows. The roost bar moves up and down. It's hooked up in the back, and the front of it just free floats, so I can lift it up. And there's actually a hookup on the side up here. That block of wood, it swings in and out, and you can use that to hold the roost bars up so that you can get in here and clean the mess out. We feed our guys treats, at night to get them up into the coop. They've only been in this for roughly about a week or so. So we're still having to use some treats at night. And when you throw them on the pan, it makes a nice noise, and they come running up for it. Anyhow, so here's the water system. I use 2.5-inch pipe, total of about 12 feet of piping. There's 2 nipples down underneath the coop, and then there's the one up here inside the coop for them. I did the shutoff valve because we are in Pennsylvania, and I'm worried about the bottom of this freezing during winter. So I wanted to, be able to close off the top of this, drain the bottom out, and maybe we'll have to wrap this with heat tape or something. I'm hoping just with the heat lamp in here, we've got another heater idea that we're thinking about doing. Maybe I don't have to do the heat tape, but we'll see. The nesting boxes are blocked off currently. When I made the nesting box, so you'll notice the height of the boards over here are the same as they are over here. So this nesting box can be dismounted from the coop and installed on the other side. We weren't sure where we were going to put this in our yard, or if we were ever going to move it. I tried to make this thing as flexible as I could during the build process. The water system, I'd have to cut it apart, but we could ultimately put it on the other side as well. And the feed tube, obviously, we could move it to the other side also. But anyhow, I just did some 2x3 framing on the inside of the door here. The paneling, I don't even know what this stuff is called. It's available at Home Depot. It's $20 for a 4x8 sheet. Stuff's great to work with. I've used it before, never had any issues with it. Paint adheres to it really well. It's easy to cut, a little dusty, but nothing too crazy. Again, some more of those latches that I was telling you about from Amazon. Those things are awesome, seriously. Can't recommend them enough. Did a clean out port down here on the water system so that we can flush this thing out real good all the time for them. We want to keep things fresh. And all in all, I mean, this coop, I think dollar-wise, I probably got maybe about $700 in it. And it was worth every penny to me. Not only to build it, but knowing that it's going to last me for 25 years or however long it lasts. I mean, I know I could have went to Harbor Freight, Tractor Supply, and gotten one for $300, $400, something like that. But I knew the quality wouldn't be anywhere near what it would be if I built it. So again, I'm glad I built it. And again, that price to include the feed and the water system, and so yeah, all in all, I think it was money well spent. Chickens are happy, and anyhow, so hope you guys like my coop. I wish you the best of luck in building yours, and hit the like button if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, hit the like button anyway, and I thank you very much and wish you well.